Mastering body language for effective presentations. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of effective presentation skills, focusing on one of the most powerful tools at your disposal: body language. We often hear the saying, "Actions speak louder than words," and in the context of presentations, your body language can amplify or diminish the impact of your words. Let's get started. Body language consists of various nonverbal cues, such as facial expressions, gestures, posture, and movements. When delivering a presentation, it's crucial that your body language complements and enhances your verbal communication. Misaligned body language can confuse or even distract your audience. Standing tall and using open postures can make you appear more confident. For instance, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart to ground yourself. Avoid slouching. Instead, stand tall and straight, but be careful not to appear too stiff. Open your arms. Don't cross them as it can seem defensive or closed off. Gestures can help emphasize points and convey enthusiasm. Use your hands to emphasize key points. A movement at the right moment can reinforce what you're saying. Avoid overdoing it. Excessive gestures can be distracting. Aim for natural movements that flow with your speech. Eye contact can help build trust and engagement. Scan the room. Try to make brief eye contact with various audience members. Avoid staring. It can make people uncomfortable. Instead, maintain a soft focus. Your face can convey a wide range of emotions. Smile when appropriate. It can make you seem approachable and relatable. Match your facial expressions to the content. For instance, if you're discussing a serious topic, a grave or neutral expression might be more fitting. Utilizing the space effectively can engage the audience. Move with purpose. If you're shifting from one topic to another, consider taking a few steps to signal the transition. Avoid nervous movements like pacing back and forth without reason. It can be distracting and convey nervousness. And that wraps up our deep dive into body language for presentations. Remember, the key is to ensure your body language aligns with and enhances your spoken words. With practice and awareness, you can master the art of nonverbal communication, making your presentations more impactful and engaging. Until next time, happy presenting!